Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Later AI for Instagram content scheduling automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Later AI for Instagram content scheduling automation, open your web browser and go to the official Later website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up Free button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your information, click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for an email from Later and click on the confirmation link. Once your account is verified, return to the Later website to log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to a welcome page. Here, you can choose to connect your Instagram account. Click on the Connect Instagram button. A new window will appear, prompting you to log into your Instagram account if you're not already logged in. Follow the instructions to authorize Later to access your Instagram account. This may involve granting permissions and ensuring your account is set to public. Once your Instagram account is successfully connected, you will be redirected back to the Later dashboard. Now, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. On the left side, you'll find the main menu, where you can access various features. To start scheduling content, navigate to the Media tab on the left sidebar. Here, you can upload images and videos that you want to use for your Instagram posts. Click on the Upload Media button. Select files from your computer to upload. You can also drag and drop media files directly into the upload area. Once your media is uploaded, it will appear in the media library. Next, click on the Calendar tab in the left sidebar. This is where you will schedule your posts. To add a new post, click the plus button on the desired date on the calendar. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select the media you wish to post. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.